It's curly. Finally, yes. Yes. Oh, this is kind of cute. It's actually cute.
Ready? Say fourth grade.
Fourth grade.
Did you see I made muffins? Yeah. Okay. Hello, freshman.
Hi.
You gonna humor me and let me take a picture?
Yeah.
Are you amazing?
Yeah.
Are you incredible?
Yeah.
Are you intelligent?
Yeah.
Are you deserving of kindness?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna have a good day.
Yeah.
Bye, Robin. You're awesome. Have a great day. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, go away. Be amazing today. Who's gonna have an awesome day?
Me.
Who's gonna have an amazing day?
Me.
Who's gonna be super sweet to her friends?
Me.
Who's gonna pay attention in class?
Me.
Who's gonna eat their whole lunch?
Me.
And who's going to remember to do something nice for someone today?
Me.
All right. You talking to me? Are you talking to me? Forget about it. Forget about it. Say, yo, Adrian. That's Rocky. That's Rocky.